Hello students, how are you all? I hope all you are fine and well. Myself Shumiran sir, and today I am back with your environmental science class. So today we will discuss chapter number 3, A Day with Nandu part 1. So I have divided this chapter into 4 videos, and today you will see part 1 of this chapter, as well as at the end of the video I have given some questions. You should note it down in your classwork copy and try to write down the answer. So students, let us start the chapter A Day with Nandu, chapter number 3. So do you know who is Nandu? Nandu is a small or baby elephant, and we will read the story of Nandu in this chapter. Okay, as well as we will also share or discuss some interesting fact about elephant, baby elephant, their herds, and we will also see some interesting small videos or funny videos on baby elephant. So watch the video till the end. Take out your book. First of all, you watch the video, then after that you will read the chapter once or twice, and after that again you will see the video, and then you will try to complete the answer of the given question at the end of the video. So let's start. Nandu wakes up. So Nandu woke up and opened his eyes. For a few seconds he was not sure where he was. It seemed to him that he was surrounded by a forest of big grey tree trunks. So Nandu was sleeping. Suddenly, when he woke up and opened his eyes, he saw that for a few seconds he cannot recognize where he was. Okay, sometimes we also, when we woke up in the morning, okay, or in the afternoon after the sleep, suddenly when we open our eyes, and first of all for few seconds we want to recognize that where we are sleeping. Okay, maybe. So when he opened his eyes, he saw he was surrounded by a forest of big grey tree trunks. Now how the forest can be grey, or the tree trunks can be grey? So it was not the tree trunk. So what he realized? He blinked his eyes and looked around. Oh, there was Amma. Then he suddenly blinked. What do you mean by blinked? Okay, one or twice he has opened and closed his eyes in a little hurry. That is called blink. Okay, so he blinked his eyes and looked around. When he woke up, then for a few seconds he cannot understand where he was. Suddenly he saw that he was surrounded by the big tree trunks of grey color. So he couldn't recognize where he was. Then what he found, that there was Amma. Then he recognized that he was surrounded by some elephants, and his Amma, that is his mother, is also beside him. So the grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the leg and trunks of his family member. So what are the grey forest? The grey forest is actually the legs and the trunk. Okay, all the animal or elephant herd is standing beside him, around him, and suddenly when he opened his eyes, as he was very small, he can suddenly, when he was sleeping and opened his eye, he saw only the legs and the trunks of the elephant, and he thought that it was a grey colored jungle, okay, covered up with tree trunks. And after that few seconds, when he saw his mother, he could recognize that it was not actually the grey colored tree trunk. Those trunks are the legs and the trunk of his family member. Okay. The sun was overhead and it was getting hot. Nanima trumpet and made a loud sound. So the sun was overhead. Suddenly he woke up in the morning. Gradually the sun started to go overhead. Okay. And Nanima. Who is Nanima? Nanima is his grandmother. So Nanima trumpet, okay, made a loud sound. Trumpet is the sound which is made by the elephants. Okay. So the loud sound which is made by the elephants is called the trumpet. So Nanima trumpet and made a loud sound. Nanima is the oldest in this herd of elephant. So Nanima is the oldest elephant in the herd. So what do you mean by herd? Herd of elephant? That is a group of elephant. Okay, the group of elephant is called the herd, and each and every herd have one leader. Okay, so the leader of this herd was Nandu's Ranima, and she is the oldest elephant in this herd. Okay, she started moving towards the jungle. The other female elephants saw her and started to follow her. So as she is the oldest, Nanima is the oldest elephant in the herd, she started to move towards the jungle after making a loud sound. Okay, he called all the elephants in the group. Okay, then he started, the entire herd or the group of the elephants started to move towards the jungle. Okay, so Ranima was first, okay, going at the front, and all other elephants are following, the female elephants, and after that the baby elephants all started to follow Nanima, the oldest female elephant, and they started to move towards the jungle. Okay, Nandu also went with them. So as all the other members of this elephant herd are moving towards the jungle following Nanima, the oldest one, Nandu also started to move with them. When they reached the jungle, the members of the herd started spreading out. So after reaching the jungle, when the total members of that elephant herd, okay, when they reach the jungle, after that they started to spread out, means move out in different groups. Okay, suppose many are there in the group, and then one or two or three in small group they have divided and they have spread out through the entire jungle. Each member went to eat her favorite leaves and twigs. So why they spread it out? To eat up their favorite leaves and the twigs. So twigs are the small branches, okay, with which the leaves are attached, as well as the green leaves, okay, which are their favorite food. In search of that favorite food, they have started to spread out in the jungle. Okay, after they had eaten, the herd moved towards the river. So after they have eaten the leaves and the twigs from the jungle, then the total herd, all the members of the elephant groups, they decided to move towards the river, and they started to move towards the river. The baby elephants enjoyed playing in the water. The mother lay down in the water and mud on the river bank. So the baby elephants, okay, all the elephant herds, all the elephants are very much fond of playing with water, as well as they have also the mother elephants, okay, they have also laid down in the river bank where it is full of mud, and they started to rub the mud on their body. Okay, so as well as they also enjoyed the river water, playing with the river water. Okay, now you can see one picture that how the elephants are enjoying living twigs and the leaves. Here two pictures I have given. From there you can also get the concept, and I hope that all of you have seen the elephant either in the zoo, or if you have visited to any jungle with your parents during your vacation, there maybe you have also seen, maybe someone has seen in the TV, in several movies, okay, or in the photographs. So elephant is very common to us, okay, as well as several activities of animal elephants we have also seen. I hope all of you, and those who have seen it, you can share me your idea on the next class when I will take the doubt clearing class. You can share the several experience of watching elephants, okay, and if you know any interesting fact about them, you can also share with me. Now in this I will show you one funny video. You just watch the video, that how the elephants, the baby elephants and the mother elephant, how they are enjoying in playing with the water, or they are rubbing their mud on the body. So why they are putting the mud on the body? To make themselves cool. Just watch the video and enjoy. Then I will discuss the next part of the chapter. You can see two small baby elephants, how they are taking the bath in the mud and the water, and how they are enjoying, okay. Just enjoy the video. You can see also two baby elephant or small elephant like Nandu. See these two small elephants, they are trying to get out of this mud, okay, as well as their mother is also helping them. So students, I hope that you have enjoyed the video, okay, and on the other part of the chapter when I will discuss, I will also try to show you some funny videos about the elephant. Now let's come to the next part of the chapter. So here are some interesting facts on the elephants. Do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day? So one adult elephant, okay, adult means who are mature, okay, who have already grown up, not baby, they are the adult elephant, the mother elephant or the father elephant, okay. So an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in it one day. Elephant do not rest very much. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. So say doesn't sleep for 2 hours a day. They only take rest for few hours. Okay, only they sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. Elephants love to play with mud and water. Just now I have shown one video that how they are enjoying playing in the mud. So elephants love to play with mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. Their big ears also work like fan. The elephant flap these and keep themselves cool. So they enjoyed playing with mud and water. So why they are rubbing the mud on their body, okay, to keep their skin cool, okay. Maybe during the summer season, due to intense heat, we are also feeling warm. That time we are switching on the fan or the AC, but as the elephants are living in the jungle, they don't have such fans and air conditions, okay. So to keep themselves cool during from the heat, okay, from the radiation of the sun. They just keep the mud, okay, they are just rub the mud on their body, okay, as well as which keeps themselves cool. As well as you have already seen, okay, the elephants are having ears like fan. We have already discussed in chapter number 2 ear to ear that which animal is having the ear like fan. So this is the elephant. So they are flapping the ears, okay, they are flapping the ears, they are moving the ear, and these to keep themselves cool, okay. By flapping the ears also they can also keep themselves cool. So if the question come how the elephants keep themselves cool, you can write 2 points from here, that the mud, okay, keep their skin cool, as well as the ear like the fan like ear, okay, which they flap, as well as it also keep themselves cool. So now 2 questions are also given in this page. You can see, find out Nandu is only 3 months old, but he weighs 200 kilograms. So only a baby elephant Nandu, okay, he is only 3 months old and his weight is 200 kilograms. So what is your weight? I hope you have all know your weight. If you don't know, you just check your weight, okay, through any nearby weight machine, or if you have any weight machine, okay. So can you imagine, okay, that an adult elephant, what is the weight of an adult elephant? You just try to find it out, okay, and we will discuss it in the doubt clearing class. I will just ask you that you have find out it or not, okay. Let's see. And can you find out the weight of how many children like you will add up Nandu's weight? So suppose each and every one of you are having different weights. Some are having 20 kg, 30 kg, okay, maybe even more or less, okay. So if all the students of your class, all their weights is added, okay, can it be weight like Nandu, okay. So how many children you like to add up to Nandu's weight, okay, similar to Nandu's weight? Suppose 10 student, okay, 20 kg each or more or less, and an average, okay, and we have find that 200 kg, okay. So from your class you should just all of you just share in your weight, okay, in the doubt clearing class to me, okay, and then we can find out the total weight as well as how it is related with, or how is it similar with Nandu's weight or not. Next, let us see some interesting fact on elephant, okay. So here are some interesting fact I have given, okay. For your own interest, you can also find out several interesting fact and you can also share with me. So here are 2 or some points related to this elephant. So elephants, there are 2 types of elephant, African elephant and Asian elephant. Elephants travel in family group called herd. So the group of elephants are called the herd. The herds are led by the oldest female in their family. So who is the leader of the herd? The oldest female member. In the herd of Nandu's herd, in which herd Nandu is staying, his Nanima, she is the oldest one. She is the head of the family, okay, or the head of the group, okay. So what they are, the oldest female member is always the head of the elephant's family or the elephant's herd. There are African elephant and Asian elephant. Asian elephants, the rainforest of South Africa and the desert in Mali. Mainly the Asian elephants, African elephants, the rainforest of South Africa and the desert of Mali desert, and in South Africa we can find African elephant. And Asian elephants live in Nepal, India and South Asia in the rainforest of Nepal, India, okay, South Asian countries we can also find Asian elephants, okay. African elephants have larger ear and Asian elephants are have smaller ear, okay. If you see both the elephants, if you have seen any photographs also, or in the TV, if you have watched, or in the zoo, you can find the ears of the African elephants are bigger compared to Asian elephants, okay. A baby elephant it's called a calf. So what the baby elephant is called? A calf, 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 and the weight is about 200 pounds. Okay, and it is only about 3 feet tall. Maybe it is 3 feet tall, but only a baby elephant can be weight up to 200 pounds. So these are some interesting fact for your own interest. I have shared it over here. If you want, you can also collect information or several interesting facts on elephants, and you can also share it with me. Now at the end, let us see some important question. This question I have given you for self-assessment. Already we have discussed about this. Whatever questions related answer we have already discussed in the chapter. From here you will write down this question in your classwork copy and you will try to find out the answer. So elephant sleep for dash day. There are 4 options I have given. Most of the day, 6 to 4 hours in a day, 12 to 16 hours in a day, 2 to 4 hours in a day. So which one will be the correct option? You can write it down. I have already discussed. Why does a herd of elephant spread out in the forest? So when the elephants reach the jungle or the forest, you have seen they have been spread out. So why they spread out in the forest? What sound does an elephant make? On the first page you have already discussed about the sound. Okay, what types of sound the elephant make? You can write it down the answer. How the elephant keep themselves cool? It is an important question. Okay, I have also shown you one video regarding this, how they are keeping themselves cool. So from there you can get the idea and you can write it down. And the last one, the grey forest Nandu thought he was in when he woke up was actually dash of his family member. So in the blanks you have to fill up the appropriate one. So I hope you have understood what we have discussed in this video. Okay, we have discussed up to page number 22. I have shown you some interesting fact on elephant, as well as one funny video on baby elephant. Okay, how they are playing in the mud. On the next video we will carry on the next part of the chapter. So whatever tasks I have given for the questions for your self-assessment, after watching the video you will try to find out the answer of the question, and all this question you should write it down in your classwork copy. So today let us conclude the part of the chapter up to this much. Thank you students, and have a nice day.